hop, this one crazy, bro.
Nothing to do with you, y'all just some lame and some weirdos, so fuck them all. Talking like you really know who I am, but baby I know that you hella wrong. This what I'm saying, I pull up and ain't this your clan. I said fuck em. I said, why you been falling off, I'm really popping off. Now you been talking like you got a plan. Posting that trash, that shit on the gram. Take it down, you ain't got no fans. 100 rounds, I'ma send it your man. Shoot him down, I'ma do it again. Fuck em, fuck em. I said fuck em. I don't really fuck with none of y'all some lames. Fuck J.O., I been dropping them names. Fuck Noah, cause you still the same. Fuck Aiden, cause you was so fake. I said fuck them all. I don't want nothing to do with you, y'all just some lame and some weirdos, so fuck them all. Talking like you really know who I am, but baby I know that you hella wrong. This what I'm saying, I pull up and ain't this your clan. I said fuck them. I said
I just still fuck with these little pussy already. All of my thoughts come more ready. I get down and I get dirty. Bitch, I get more petty. Pull up the whip with the turbo. They don't pull up with the worst clothes. They don't pull up with the worst clothes. They don't pull up in the worst clothes. And I don't want nothing to do. None of this shit ain't me on. If I was one of them too, I'd take me out.
They talking too much, what the fuck do they talking they ass? They stacking this cash and they can't lay. We getting this bag, they can't say the same. I see how I show, the shit was a fake. I know what you want, I know that you ain't. You did it yourself, but this shit just a taste. And I ain't got nothing else to say, so I said fuck them all. I don't want nothing to do with you, y'all just some lame and some weirdos, so fuck them all. Talking like you really know who I am, but baby I know that you hella wrong. This what I'm saying, I pull up and ain't this your